This is Satish Vijayan from Nexta. Nexta essentially allows you to pay from your credit card into any bank account, allowing customers to tap into credit that they would otherwise be unable to use, right? So you cannot use a credit card unless it's at a merchant. But Nexta allows you to pay anybody from your credit card. Thank you for your time.
My name is Neha Mishra. I am the co-founder and CEO of the Finlit Project. The Finlit Project is a financial education and robo-advisory platform. We are pre-incubated at IIM Bangalore, incubated with funding support at IIT Delhi and STPI Chennai, and we couldn't be prouder to be a part of this FinBlue cohort. Thank you so much, and what a great event.
Myself, Amit, founder and CEO of Fortex. And Fortex is a digital cross-platform between MSMEs and tax professionals, which empowers both of them to file, verify, and compile their GST and other taxation-related data in a simple, unique, and hassle-free way. Besides this, we also build the financial strength of that particular micro-entrepreneur, make them available for the formal lending sectors, such as banks and NBFCs. We are happy to incubate it in STPI Chennai, FinBlue.
I'm Sriram Chandran, co-founder of monkeycap.com. We are an insurtech startup looking to break the myths of high-cost penetration in online insurance sales. With simple UI UX design, B2C tech delivery models, and proven support services model, we plan to acquire greater than 10 million customers in the next 3 years at a relatively fractional cost of acquisition. Besides, our POS model will also create more than 50,000 self-employment opportunities. We are glad to be part of FinBlue initiative by STPI. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Jaideep Pawar, founder and CEO of GramEPay. We are a neo-banking platform working on digitization of rural India, focused on deployment of social entrepreneur in each and every village in the country. Thank you so much.
I'm Arun Raju Sankaran, founder and CEO of Finovas Technologies. We are a fintech B2B enterprise app, digitalizing banks and financial institutions across the globe. We are keenly focusing on banks and financial institutions which are running on spreadsheets or paper books to manage their portfolio. So we are focused on providing solutions for especially microfinance and cooperative banks.
I am Partho from Anuna IT Solutions Private Limited, and we have launched an innovative and disruptive product on bank deposits. And apart from that, we will be also launching a product on supply chain finance. This product on deposits will be very disruptive and the first innovation in core banking. Thank you.
I'm Mahendra Panchal. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Bima Express with a vision of democratizing the healthcare ecosystem from a financial needs perspective. The way we want to do it is by becoming a new bank focused on healthcare, which basically connects the hospitals and the banks and the insurance companies through our digital layer.
I'm Srikanth Meenakshi. We are a research platform. We help investors make smart decisions about their investments and personal finance by delivering independent, high-quality research recommendations and content to them. Thank you.
My name is Manik Sudan and I'm the founder and the CEO of the Campozunia. Campozunia is India's first credit-led neobank platform for the teenagers for their education need. We developed this platform just to solve problems and to overcome the financial needs of the students, and which help them to avail education courses into easy EMIs. Thank you.
I'm Gangar Gupta, founder and CEO of FinanceCart.com. We at FinanceCart are building an AI-driven next-generation neutral marketplace neobank for instant customized rate quotes on loan, credit cards, and other financial products. Thank you.
I am C. Anand Pokharna, one of the co-founders to Invec India. Invec India is the first Indian mobile application which transforms the way inventory verification is done on the traditional paper to a mobile application. It can be used by manufacturing, pharma, retail, or any of the industry which has a stock. Start verifying with Invec Smart. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Venkatraman Narasimhan, co-founder of LAM Finmart Private Limited. The idea is to create a separate marketplace for the stressed assets of the banking system so that it provides a faster liquidation for the non-performing assets.
I am Arun Ramaswamy, founder of Purple Path Wealth Management Solutions. We are a pure play personal financial advisor helping people create wealth using their existing resources. Our product FinoBot is a personal financial advisor in hand that can guide a person to take mindful financial steps and can lead one to the path to prosperity.
Hi, myself Amit Deshmukh, co-founder and CEO of LoanForFree.com. We are India's first and only online marketplace for financial products and services, catering services to world's second largest military, paramilitary and ex-servicemen, having a market size of 6 million central government employees, founded by 2 naval veterans. A complete online fintech platform offering payments, savings, lending, insurance and investment products. Thank you.
I'm Vinay Satyanarayana, co-founder and CEO at Kutumba. Kutumba is the one app where you can manage your money and inform your family all on one secure platform. With our app, our users can auto-discover their finances, including their assets and liabilities, and they can securely share them with their family members. Our core premise is that at least one person in your family should know about your financial life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shankar, CTO of Finara. We are a fintech company focusing on money exchange, money remittance, and the cross verticals. It will also perform the inward and outward remittance in multi currencies, and also, it accepts, and dispense cash.
Hi, myself Santosh. Our company is called Capital Capstock. We work along with a financial institution in aiming to provide a digital solution for a financial institution. Our product is called Square Now, which provides an end-to-end solution for any financial institution. Also, we are working along with a few of the NBFCs for the digital lending platform, which is the revolutionary product which we are trying to bring. Thank you.
This is Yashraj Singh, a co-founder at Finplex. We at Finplex are working towards creating a seamless integration of multiple tools that are used in teaching and learning finance for stock markets. We are also creating a platform where we provide collated news channels from multiple sources to make our users be up to date. Thank you. And we are happy to be a part of InBlue incubation.
My name is Abhilash Reddy. I'm co-founder and director of FairXpay. We are a fintech platform addressing the shortcomings of current legacy FX systems. We optimize exorbitant FX fees and hidden charges and provide fast, reliable and efficient modes of cross-border payments, thereby helping individuals and businesses save up to 7%. So our APIs can be integrated to a wide range of ERP modules, e-commerce applications and payroll applications for improved visibility and ease of transactions. Thank you.